got into a corporate leadership position to head a committee. You would have implemented certain projects. Anything that comes to your mind, which is close to your heart, which is driven a lot of impact at the grassroots level? Anything you'd like to talk about?
Yeah. So see, I am a public health expert because I have worked in public health. When I was in NGO sector, I have worked in the domain of public health for very long. So I think when I shifted to corporate, most of the corporate activities were based on corporate health activity, health initiative were based on activity-based intervention, where they were targeting on curative health, where preventive health was not something they understood what's the importance of it. So I think that is something when I came in, I think that is something which I introduced, that preventive health is also important, that curative health is immediate relief you're giving, but preventive health can change their behavior. They can inculcate healthy behavior among women and young girls. So I think that project, I would say, was one of my closest, and it has seen a lot of success. And thanks to the management. So the best thing about this whole corporate social responsibility is how the management takes it, because it should be driven by management. If the management doesn't understand it, and if they're not passionate about it, if for professional like us, it gets very difficult to bring our learning on the table. So I think that way I was lucky enough to get that kind of management who understood the importance of preventive health, and they could let me experiment and go with that trust in me that she would bring that difference. And I have been like, we are working with more than 30,000 direct beneficiaries in many states, and we can say in a span of 3 years. So we have designed projects which has a life cycle of 3 years, which has an entry and exit plan, and in this 3 years you can bring significant behavior change in the community. So I think that is the project Wellswast, which we call in Welspun, which has brought a lot of meaningful impact in the community, and which is very close to my heart.